Alright.
Yeah.
I would have won against
Take the place of the
other sweaty
part-timer.
fucks.
Second place part-time.
Alright, who do we got for tonight? Odin, Xeno, Ninja,
Halo
Archie.
Master almost cooked Chief though. That one
I came
time.
close.
Dude,
Okay.
he pulled out the clutch with this mangler, bruh. The mangler.
Imagine getting beat by Howling though. That's actually sad, dude.
Yeah, Odin, but bruh. Then he
It's
first
actually sad, dude.
lost against Dash, and then he lost against Howling. Dude, you know what's crazy? Howling's
else to get in
easier
there,
to
dude.
win against than Dash, and you lost.
I think it's just a skill issue.
Okay, old man.
Because of that tournament,
Everyone,
I
make sure. Make sure
Because
you include
Dash
your
and
audio,
Ninja
guys.
Yeah, it's
using the
on.
pulse carbine, I learned how to use it from them. I learned how to use it. Finally. I finally know how to use the pulse carbine. And get a kill with it.
The pulse carbine?
Yeah, but it was at the beginning.
Happy birthday.
Like,
Like, I'm
I've been,
seeing
like-
people, like, get a lot of kills with it, I'm just like, I don't know, I just can't seem to, like...
I didn't know it did more damage, and hit more if you were far away. I was always up close with it.
Interesting.
3,
Shit
Two,
tracks better than a
one.
tracking rocket, bruh. I can't.
Yeah, they're kind of a little iffy with the tracking rocket.
It's like, I think it's even tracking. Like,
Have
I would
you
just,
ever
like, shoot a
missed the
shot and then
first time with
somehow the person is still alive. I'm like, what?
Have you ever seen your rocket miss the air vehicle and come back and hit him the second time?
I love it when that happens.
Miss
should
it
do
the
that,
first time, then wraps back around the map.
We should do that one map with the teleporters with
Drunk
the
drivers.
weapon combinations.
So
the weapon
true.
combo. Chiron.
I'm
You
down
wanna do
for
Just
it.
kicked me
Chiron?
out of the
Weapon
game, what the
combo?
fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I don't think
down
the
for
game
Chiron
likes you.
combos.
You have to rejoin, my dude.
I mean, it's like
It
60
doesn't
people. I
want me
feel
to
like
play,
I feel like
man.
that's the right amount of people to like do that sort of thing.
It's really gonna be our Balatro custom.
Got me over here
I love
becoming
it.
an ass, man.
See, this is kind of like the normal regular customs. You know, here to have a good time.
It's not letting me join.
Rage. Yeah, of
Exactly.
course. Lady.
Oh, I got.
You know I'm
Oh,
racist.
I got shit, dude.
Oh, I
boo.
mean, we're
Who's
starting
that?
off great.
Halo
too.
Master. You don't have to do this. We can talk. We can talk like reasonable people. Please.
Reasonable man.
I said
reasonable
pretty
man.
pleased with the cherry on top and 3 scoops of ice cream, my dude.
Oh my
Three
gosh, shit, I'm
scoops
not-
of ice.
Somebody's got a fucking skewer.
Woo!
Can I get right back to the game?
Is that you, Noble Ninja, down there with the hammer?
No, he's the one
Oh,
that's
dude.
on top
Oh,
of.
I'm
dude.
not even red.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? Yeah. Give me a second.
I only not like this game anymore, guys. We
Uh,
play
I'm
like
just making sure.
Yeah, this game hates me. It
invite.
hates me for losing, bro. It hates
There you go,
me,
bud. There you go, buddy. I sent you the invite.
Who's that right there? Who's the
I
ODS?
Who's that?
sent you
Hey,
the
Dad.
invite.
It's Taz.
Okay.
Boo.
Whoopsie!
I think that's you.
Ow, that hurt. I'm trying
Whoa,
to stick fucking
I'm
Halo
out.
Master, and this fuck comes out
Yo.
of nowhere, dude.
Have you done, Chiefy? Oh my
Bro,
god,
that
that's a skewer.
pisses me
That's a
off. I
skewer.
win against Taz in the first
porn,
match,
no.
but I lose against Ninja in the next
I got
round,
Ninja.
bro.
It's fine.
That just do how to be. That just do how to
There
be.
you go, Archie. Now you're in. There you go.
Crazy.
Come on down here,
Hey,
Mr.
I'm here now.
Halo Master trying to not fall off the block.
I'm
he's
going pink today.
Oh shit.
What? I'm going
Dumbass.
pink today, guys. I'm pink.
Oh wait, it's air. I didn't even know.
Why are you
it was in
pink?
here.
Why this red?
Don't think I won't come down here and get you, whoever this
I
is
should
right
have
here.
like finished killing
poor
him.
Eric. Poor Eric. He didn't
Dumbass.
fuck
Oh my God.
damn.
Dang.
Cena, watch out.
Get him, Zeno. Get him. Turn him into a body dude.
Oh.
What a plasma grenade! Well played, Z. Okay. Wow, well played, bro.
Let's see how good
Oh,
I
the
am
positive
tonight.
grenade.
Okay.
Celebration.
That was nuts.
A Mangler and a M5.
Hi,
whatever.
Squidward.
You stupid bitch,
Hi,
Noble.
Squidward.
I love my
God.
job.
I like how I'm the first one to die.
Oh crap.
Who's above me?
Hey! Well, if it isn't
Hey.
I don't have
Yeah,
to
use it on there. Use it on there. Oh my.
I'm so sorry, Zeno.
Hi, Squidward.
4 Spartans remaining.
Hi, Squidward.
So, I kind of
Honestly, I
like...
could have done it with a needler.
How the fuck is Halo top 3 right now?
Whoa, that's
That's 3 of
that's a
my
gun.
bro. What?
You can't wait.
Where's
to
up my
show
fellow
that.
skibbity?
Jeez, I
That's
don't
not
know, because I got hit by a
really
sword, you absolute reject. How about that? Huh?
Archie's invisible.
Where's Taylor Master? Where's that little silly goose?
Oh, there's
Little
Taz.
silly goose.
Yeah,
up at the
silly
tippity
goose, yeah.
top. He's at the tippity top.
No!
Oh, thank you.
This game's kind of rigged.
How could you
if think
miss?
about it.
Oh wait, Noble's
Okay.
still alive.
Danger zone.
I was watching
Okay.
Halo's POV. T.
This is
Come
this
on,
is just a
Kiddo.
slight
You failed me during the
miscalculation in
tournament.
a
You
grand
failed me
operation
now.
plan.
Oh, poor
He's kind
Halo.
of dead. Never mind.
He just got
Here we go.
needlered, dude.
Oh,
Can't
Stormy
really do against that.
Oh,
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 oh.
oh.
Noble, go for it. Pitch him on. Oh, Noble, you sold.
Oh my.
Oh, let him cook, chap. Let him cook.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Bloody
Oh, too
really
early.
got in my way.
he's supposed to early, dude.
Bro, that
Goodbye.
cube
It's truly
saved me,
tragic.
bro. That cube.
Oh, we got folded.
Who put that there?
I got killed on the
Thank
dang
you, whoever
Minecraft.
put that
Put
there.
the cube there.
Mangler and
Who
Needler.
put the co-op? Who put the co-op?
Oh, the
Taylor
game.
Master?
The
Don't-
game.
Don't do it, man.
The game is helping me.
Ooh! I don't like that.
Oh my
They go
god.
on the bench.
Come on.
Yeah, error, hold back.
I fly away like the beautiful bird I outdo.
He's not even in the
Hey,
party.
Archie.
You
know.
fired
Try
the
to
wrong
find him.
person.
I
You fired the
suicided
wrong
into
person.
it, dog.
You fired the wrong person.
So Archie,
What,
about
is
that
he
time I
though?
killed you in the tournament. Yeah, my bad, gang.
He tried to rocket me.
It was an oopsie poopsie.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all
Oh,
good.
all
because
good
I don't
in the
get
hood.
mugged by Zeno.
Oh,
that's fun.
TG.
Oh,
Who the fuck is throwing grenades at me?
Spartans remaining.
Well, damn, son.
Alright.
oh.
Damn.
Even evil howling. He's evil.
Well, Taz
Get
has
that
his
shit
in the
away from me.
bag.
Get that shit away.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's stalking my.
Hey.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
He's a tomato.
The roar of the spanker.
Get him. Oh,
Everyone
red versus
hears
blue.
the
Look at
spanker.
the silent
Red
assassin.
versus blue. This is
Where
kind
did
of
that
crazy. Kinda
rocket
like red
go?
versus
It didn't
blue,
even
the hit show.
explode.
It's like the hit show, red versus blue guy.
Oh. Oh.
Dang.
1.
Now
Chief
I'm
gave him the
soggy.
beatdown.
So black fight.
You'd have the polka dot visor from the women's
Oh,
history.
boo.
Oh
Please
my
remain
god.
calm.
Polka dots, polka dots.
Why are
That's,
you looking at
that's,
me?
oh well.
Look at the guy below you.
Oh.
Merry
Oh,
Look at
birthday.
that, good sir.
We got the both guys. Crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday!
Archie, come on, just leave me alone.
Dad, you're gonna die.
Sorry, Archie.
I
Hi.
I
Oh,
got
oh,
the Avenger, bruh.
Ah, he had a
I got the
sword.
Avenger. This game is fucking
Oh, I win.
taunting me, bruh.
Oh, well, that was
I
nice.
did
This
it.
game is taunting me. It's
It wasn't
giving me
very good. He had a
weapons I
sword.
lost
There was
with.
literally nothing I could have done.
It's giving me weapons I lost with during the tournament, bruh.
Kind of fun.
Sorry.
Oh,
You're
okay.
kind of in the way, dude.
Very good.
That's comedy.
Bonk.
Yeah, fuck you, Noble.
How?
Oh.
Why? How could you do that?
Yes,
That's very
sir.
mean. That's mean. That's kind
I'm a
of
magical man.
Oh my god.
I'm a magical
Okay.
You
little-
shot me.
little
You
casting
shot me.
spells now.
Shot me.
Crazy.
Fuck you, Otis.
You're so
Yeah,
lucky,
fuck you.
dude. So lucky,
That's
man.
not
He is
sniper
cheap.
rifle, right? That's not
He is
sniper
getting-
rifle, right?
I should have switched to Hydra.
That's sniper.
Go down.
Dang.
Damn,
That's
son.
wild.
It might have been a sniper.
Just error in chief
Just-
for the Fortnite
Just,
Royale.
just might have been.
Ah.
Does he know? Does Chief
I
know?
don't think he knows.
Yes.
No, he doesn't know. Oh,
Oh, it's one of these fights.
Oh, he's good.
It's one of these. It's one of these. Yo.
Chief, that was
Oh.
disrespectful.
Oh, man.
That was
Yeah.
disrespectful,
It's
Chief.
crazy.
What was that?
There's a little trade there.
There was nothing disrespectful, okay?
To me, it
We
was.
had an
Oh, here
even,
we go.
nice fight.
Alright.
What is up, my fellow skibbity?
Oh, it's a fucking.
Did you just say fellow skippity?
Yeah, I
Skibbity?
did.
Alright, Taz.
Stay away from me, Chief.
Hello.
Halo,
Enemies remaining.
Halo
Fucking noble.
What's up, my
Master.
fellow Halos?
Overshield.
Hey,
Well, it's
little
either
ninja
I
John
get you or the
Baracchio,
Noble
come
Ninja
here.
gets you.
Whoever this is.
Hi.
You idiot, turn around!
Most of the people have
Where did he
energy
got in the
swords. What the
grapple?
fuck?
Down.
Where did you come from? When are you? Who are
Oh,
you?
no.
Round one.
Really cheap. I had a good thing going, and then you had to
It's too
bloody
late.
ruin it.
Dude, I was chasing Halo Master for so long, and then you
Look,
just
look,
sweep in and
you-
kill him,
because
dude.
your thing, you have lemons on your armor.
Oh, you got me fisting me. Look at this shit. I don't
Yeah,
like this
nothing,
setup.
bro.
Look at
I don't
this.
play this game anymore. Come out. Bye,
Ow,
Taz.
ow, ow,
I got
ow,
I have
ow.
a skewer and a plasma
Ow.
pistol.
I have
Oh,
this
no
shit is
regrets.
Stop throwing stuff at me. Stop it.
No,
Stop. Throw it at
I
Odin.
know where you. I know where you are.
It's off, mate.
Arch.
Throw us him
Eric's
at
just
you, bro.
sitting there.
Who's going for it? Who's gonna go for the camo though? Who's gonna be ballsy? enough
Me.
to go
I
for
would
it?
if I was
I know one of you's gonna go for it.
alive.
Probably Halo Master.
You know how this ends, big dog. Oh, you got a repulsor. I see that.
He's weak over there by the fucking.
5 Spartans
Oh!
remaining. 4 Spartans remaining.
I wished I
Someone,
was.
someone could have told me he had pulled camo, bro.
I told you, you weren't paying attention, dude.
Oh shit.
Danger zone incoming.
I was more focused on the guy that was throwing things at me.
Spartans remaining.
Look at me!
Yard sail.
I was knew you were gonna fucking
Oh,
do
no.
something stupid.
Fucking asshole. If I sit in the corner, you won't move. You won't see me, chap.
If I jump over him, as soon as he walks in, he won't notice.
Or just Air Chief
Ah.
Halo Master. Who's gonna get the Fortnite Royale?
Fort.
The chief. The chief.
I'm done, dude.
Fucking
Oh.
chief.
That error.
Do they know?
Oh,
Do they know? They're
Couldn't
quite
have blocked.
unaware.
But you won't do it, chief. But you won't do it.
Negative 2-degree vision confirmed.
Oh, error.
Oh, boo.
What the fuck? What was that?
Dang!
Round
What was that?
That's crazy. All that build up for Halo Master to just go kerplop.
Oh,
Thank God. Thank
Oh.
God he decided to walk
that
out.
effort, bro.
That was kind of
Bro.
destroyed.
Oh! Oh gosh! That's not an alive person anymore.
Somebody's one
if I've
shot
ever
up there.
seen one. And I'm not even a doctor.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey!
Sorry, Xeno.
Oh,
My bad.
Oh,
Oh shoot!
oh
Oh my
you better run!
God.
You better
I
run!
was scared!
Alright.
I was scared! Oh, yes.
I wish I had this thing doing
Wait,
this
no more.
for a bit, bro.
4
I did.
Spartans remaining.
It looks like we're doing a
What's going on
selfie
here?
together how we died.
Active
Well, you
counter.
mute
going on?
But we
Alright,
couldn't
cool.
use
That's
power
insane.
I gotta
weapons,
screenshot
bro.
this.
Oh,
This
error.
is hilarious.
Oh hey.
That's not a shock rifle. That's a rocket launcher.
This
It's
is
called a
launcher,
year
you're
about
right.
Look,
But
Archie,
this
you
is
have my
also a shock
setup.
rifle.
Look at
But
you,
I
you
also
have
do
my
have a
setup.
shock
I
rifle.
have what?
You have my setup that I had
that's
2
air,
rounds ago.
that's Taz. That's cheap. Okay.
I have no idea where anyone is.
You have a
Maybe
sniper
not.
rifle.
Why don't you look, chief?
You have a shock rifle.
Danger
Okay.
zone.
You know?
Yeah, I
That might
don't
help.
know where anyone is. Then.
Everyone has a sniper rifle of some sort.
I don't know.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we got a match right here. Taz and
3 Spartans remaining.
oh,
Are you
Oh!
looking over at me?
here we go.
Fuck. Kind of want it.
Chief is like a
You could have it. Oh, you picked it up. Woo!
Victory.
Oh, what a
Ah, well, that's too bad. Could be worse.
I mean, no, wait, let's go.
I heard the rocket, bro. I heard it.
Even gonna be this time